To eat a lot of raw salad, you really need a great, fantastic tasting salad dressing. And today I'm going to share with you our family favorite cashew mayonnaise recipe. It's super easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You need raw cashews, a fresh lemon, a bit of salt, water, and a good blender. The reason for making your own mayonnaise would be that you have control over the ingredients. Number one, it's plant-based. Number two, it's oil-free and it doesn't contain any preservatives. It's 100% whole food, natural, and also great tasting. And it is something that you can whisk up within 5 minutes. The proportion of the recipe is that the amount of cups of cashews that you use is the amount of water that you use. So I'm going to start off with 3 cups of raw cashews, 3 cups of clean filtered water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to use a lemon. I've recently made this mayonnaise with using a complete lemon with rind, and then I just cut off the tops because of all the benefits of the citrus peel. I'll put a link into the video that I recently made, but it is so nice with the zest. If it's something that you need to get used to the taste, I'm going to show you how I make it. Most of the time I just cut off the lemon peel. So I'm not going to waste any time just to express the lemon juice. I'm going to put in the whole lemon into my blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you can also soak your cashews in hot water for 2 to 3 hours. Now I'm just going to pour the mayonnaise into my own recycled glass jars. You will also see once you refrigerate the mayonnaise, it will thicken. So don't be put off initially if it looks too runny. They are now ready to be refrigerated and to be used as a salad dressing. I will also put a link into the recent salad video that I made. I also use it to replace any white sauces like my oven-baked lasagna dishes. It's super delicious. Even if you want to cover veggies, bake them in the oven. We use it on sandwiches, we use it on top of beans, baked potatoes. It's very versatile. If you do find that it's too thick for you, the next day you can just add a bit of water and you can just whisk it again in the jar with a fork or with a spoon. You can make different variations of the same recipe. You can add garlic. I also love to use turmeric. Here you can see is a photo where I added some turmeric to the mayonnaise. That's also a lovely way and an easy way to get more fresh or dried turmeric into your diet. Our guests always love this mayonnaise, even if they're not plant-based. You can also freeze it. When you freeze it, the texture will slightly change a bit. You can just add a little bit of water if needed, or just whisk it again with a spoon or a fork. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed this information today. Remember to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on all the videos that I make. And remember, take care of your health. It's precious.